Okay, so if we want to have a fair sample, fair decision, there can't be any bias to it. That means we personally don't get to pick anything. We either just put them in order, and you can do a systematic approach, pick every fifth one. You can do it into clusters. And one of the most popular ways is random number table, which we're going to do here in a second. But there's some other ways you can do fair. So let's read these two and decide which one's fair and which one would be unfair, because there would be bias to it. There are 24 students in math class. The teacher wants to choose 4 students at random to come to the board and work on a math problem. She writes each student's name on a slip of paper, places them in a hat, and chooses 4 without looking. Is that fair? Would every single student in the class have an equal opportunity to go up to the board? Yes, that'd be fair. Right? Each student would have a 1 out of 24 chance of getting picked. How about you have 3 friends. You want to choose which of you 2 are in the group will shovel the snow in the driveway. You are assigned a number from 1 to 4, and then you spin a spinner and choose the first person. Then that person chooses who's going to help them. So would that be fair or unfair? Not fair. Yep, and it's not fair because of this right here. If you were to spin the spinner twice to get 2 people, that would be fair. But since this person chooses the second person, we say that's not fair. Okay, because that would have some bias to it. Whenever you personally pick something, that has some bias to it. Okay, so other ways you can pick, besides putting slips of paper in a hat and drawing, is that we have what's called a random number table. In random number table, you can get random numbers from a graphing calculator, computer. There's usually big tables. If you were to Google random number table, you'd get big tables of this. And what it is just random numbers written down, no order, no rhyme, no reason. Okay, so how do I use this? Okay. The advisor of the Good Citizen Clubs wants to select 4 of its 25 members to raise and lower the flag each day this week. She assigns a 2-digit number from 1 to 25. So she go like, you're 1, you're 2, you're 3, all the way to 25. And she was going to pick 4 of them. So to pick 4 people out of 25, you start at your random number table. The first number, I'm going to go every 2 digits because my biggest number is 25. That's 2 digits. My first number is 84, too big. 49, too big. 61, 87, 32, 60, 33, 1. I can use that. 95, 36, 58, 38, 5. 25, 44, 48, 71, 20, 16, and there's my 4 people. Oh, did I miss one? Oh, I did miss one. So we'd have 1, 5, yep, 25, thank you. And then what would have been my last one? 20? There we go. There's our 4 people. Good. Let's do one more of those. Here another is a little snippet of a random number table. A coach wants to select 5 of his next 16 players at random to help with the youth basketball camp this weekend. He assigns them all 2-digit numbers, 1 to 16. I need 5 people. So again, I start here, and I'm going 1 to 16. So 11, 16, 43, too big, 63, 18, too big, 75, 6, 13, 76, 74, 26, 32, 7. Those would be my 5 people.